Starter Pack. Get 1 aluminum hand soap pump and 4 refill tablets in this starter pack, 2 lemon and 2 lavender. Use warm water, wait 30 minutes. For good results, use warm water to dissolve tablets and wait 30 minutes for tablets to completely dissolve. Just fill the pump with water, drop in a tablet and let it fizz. 1 tablet makes 8 ounces of soap. Wash away bacteria with Softsoap Hand Soap Tablets, an easy and effective way to keep hands clean. Biodegradable, easy to use. Made with biodegradable cleaning ingredients in a convenient tablet form that means no messy pouring, Softsoap tablets are easy for you and good for the planet. Lemon Lavender Scents. Softsoap Hand Soap Tablets might be small, but they're packed with the refreshing fragrances of lemon and lavender that will sparkle once you fill, drop, foam. Top reviews from the United States. Great stuff. I love how easy it is to make more soap. You add some warm water and pop a pill in and let it sit for a couple minutes and it turns into soap. Smells so good too, and I hate having so much plastic to trash with this soap. There is only a little plastic that the pill came into. I love how pretty the bottle is and how I can keep using the same bottle.